Damn, a bumper changed this car drastically. Oof! This thing gonna be sweet! Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Labast, and we back again on the next one. And today, we finally making the Z look proper. So, today we're gonna be addressing some of this, but for that we're gonna have to take this off and a few other things. I think I showed y'all earlier in the clip. We got a front bumper, or the front bumper that I've had on it. Looks sick. I love it. When we move the car, I'll put it in some better light and then we'll show y'all. But for now, let's go ahead and get started with this. Oh, okay. All right, so we got the rear bumper off. You can see the extent of damage a little bit more. This is what we're gonna be working on, as well as this and this, and just all of that. This man over here telling me, oh, you don't need it. You don't need it. It works so much better. Oh, yeah.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hit it from the back. Hit it from the back. Ooh, that was a good chunk. All right, so next we are going to put new brake shoes on it. Putting brake shoes on it will give me the ability to have the use of a handbrake. Now, a lot of people got mixed feelings about this. Like, I've seen a lot of people saying having a handbrake is cheating and this, that, and the other, and so on and so forth. But from where I'm at right now, I'll take a cheat. Alright, shout out to Zebras. Just looked at his tutorial on how to do the rear brake shoes and adjustment and all that. Pretty in-depth, everything I need to know, so I'm gonna knock it out. But I'm not gonna film it because conditions are not best. If you need to go see it, go watch him do it. He got everything set up a lot better than I probably could right now. Shit, this thing tight, man. Alright, so the handbrake works. So I don't know if you guys noticed the pattern, but every time we go out drifting, I do something else and then, you know, we go. So the first time we went without power steering, hella hard, would not recommend. Fix the power steering. That was the next thing. What was the thing after the next thing? I guess that'd be this. Unless I'm missing something. But either way, the handbrake working. This is supposed to help with entries, mid-drift, and a lot of other things. So now that that's situated, I need to go put I need to go put air in the tire that was flat and go find my other tires because Toby done kidnapped them.
I mean, I ain't got nothing to weld up.
Look what Blake done brought over to the house. I mean, we're gonna be doing whatever it is we could do with it, but I went ahead and cashed out on some arm sleeves and these blue gloves. These fire. You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are fire. So we're gonna play around with that a little bit and see what we get going on. All right, so consensus is we're not gonna be using an arc welder. This thing, at one point this thing wasn't even sticking to it. Like, here's a good line that we had going and it just fell off. I mean, this isn't clean or anything, but still. Either way, I got something coming in the mail that's gonna completely change the game for me and the whole channel. So I actually sucked it up and bought a welder. So we're gonna be doing a whole lot more fabricating here on the channel. Car's gonna get an exhaust, truck's gonna get an exhaust. There's a few panels and stuff that I need to make for the car, fire extinguisher bracket. I need to make a panel for the start button, and I need to add a couple of switches for the lights and whatnot. And it's just a bunch of other stuff. Like, that's about it for this video. Sorry if it was kind of short. If you guys like the shorter videos, let me know. Leave a comment down below. If you guys stayed this far in the video, comment down below. Comment down below what color to paint the car. That's like the next big step for us. Oh yeah, and to recap, the whole tying it to the tree thing, it kind of helped, but it didn't really help at the same time. Like, it moved it, but it didn't put it where I was hoping for it to be. So the car's gonna have to go to a frame shop to fix that 100%. But hopefully there's no extra damage to like where the subframe is, because that's gonna be replaced pretty soon too. But that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're liking the videos. I hope you're subscribing. We got so much stuff coming up. And then we got clutch kickers coming up on June 31st. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be driving. You know, money's a little tight, but I'm definitely planning on going to make an appearance and want to mingle a little bit, which might be a little bit better because every time I go to drive, I can never talk to anybody. But I'm done rambling. I'll see y'all later. Like and subscribe.